Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Old National Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be walking you through a few ways that you can order checks for your Old National Bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else such as a bank statement that has your Old National Bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Old National Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, oldnational.com. You can also check the description for the link to the bank. The first way to order your checks is going to be by logging on to your Old National Bank account. To do this, you're going to look for the login button, which is located on the home screen at the top right corner. It's a blue button that has a white lock icon in it, and it has the words log in. So you'll click on that, and then that's going to bring you to this page here where you can enter your user ID and your password and then click log in. Now if you don't have a username and password yet, there's an enroll link right under the login button that you can click. When you click on that, just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to banking options and then order checks online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Old National Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Old National Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, but that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them over the phone. The third way to order checks is going to be through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Old National Bank. I already have a tab open and it's already on Google, and I've typed in the search bar order replacement checks for Old National Bank. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order your checks. A couple of these websites include Checks in the Mail, Checks Unlimited, and Walmart Checks. Those are just a few of the many examples of websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendor websites to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Old National Bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Old National Bank website or customer service, those numbers will not be automatically loaded and you'll have to enter them yourself, and it's very important to make sure that you enter them correctly. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information about Old National Bank.